Amazing and lesser-known facts about animal pets. Amazing and lesser-known facts about animal pets. Meet the hidden world of your beloved pets. Did you know cats spend 70% of their lives sleeping? Talk about cat naps. Ever notice your dog's wagging tail? It's their way of expressing emotions, just like we do with our faces. Birds aren't just pretty, they're smart. Parrots can learn over 100 words, wow! And goldfish? They remember faces, so they know you. Rabbits don't only hop, they binky. This joyful leap signifies pure happiness. Now, that's a happy bunny. So, next time you look at your pet, remember there's more to them than meets the eye. Stay curious.